Hey everyone, this is Crystal from Boto.io here to show you how to find out what percentage of avatars in a collection have the trait that your avatar has. So here we're looking at the Aw Friends Reddit Collectibles Avatars collection. And let's say this is the kind of avatar that you have. So what you want to do is scroll down and find the trait or the attribute that you're curious about. So let's say yours has a certain kind of eyes, let's say chic eyes. So we're going to click on that. And that's going to show you all the avatars that have that particular trait. To take it a little bit further, we'll click on one of these avatars and scroll down. You'll see these tiles on the left which tell you which percentage of the avatars in that collection have that trait. So since we're looking at chic eyes, we see that 25% of the avatars in this collection have that particular trait. The easiest way to check this is to connect Opensea to your wallet, but if for whatever reason you don't want to do that right now, this is a really easy way to check up on all your trades. It takes a couple of extra more steps, but then you don't have to connect anything, you don't have to mess with your wallet, and it's just really helpful to get an idea at a glance. Hope this helps. Thanks everyone.